asalaamaaleykum mbokki àddina asalaamaaleykum ñu ñoo seetaan man la waat seen xarit Ramatoulaye Niang Ballo si seen programme bi di yaatal tey nag damaa nuyu suma mbokki soose parce que tey programme bi soose la ak English di jégal bu baax a baax parce que ki ma fi am tey moom olofam setut bu baax muy international footballer bu mag boobu noonu di Aliou Dabo mbaadi mandinkool anal kam moy laal mbaal kontona bii nag nga mu soto jang wala Gambia dingoti mu yàlla ko amu international Gambian footballer la ti Aliou Dabo nga bula anale ñoo konton Aliou asalaamaaleykum
asalaamaaleykum mbala kontona baake baraka baake kontanta baake le bi katara jambi
isa fono mul be jube kan Gambianol jumalo Aliou Dabo parce que aboko Gambia mo jama melo you understand ya explain mo le jumalo Aliou Dabo te
ha dom Aliou Dabo le te wuluta Sweden ne barin ko luta Gambia ne na dindi yake janne ne karamo fanan ke jang na football na start like a play Sweden for kabrimbe for the age of 16 na first professional contract signed France Mbeje for 3 years me play gang in the first division under 17 2009 fana Gambia en commandile under 17 World Cup men play ta Nigeria play ta jele jele fana nanu bateno dunga jele fana na start ka dun Gambia football ko no
which year
2009
okay
na play ta fana Gambia under 20 and en commandile fana senior squad le so play ta France le play ta Croatia Dinamo Zagreb mi ko team ball in Europe ka play Champions League le ka play Europa League mbada je fana play ta in Spain play ta in Malta play ta in Algeria Egypt and in Tunisia sambe Tunisia le hade
sabe Tunisia ebe play kan team mo to Tunisia first division team
first division team mo len na career be sambe 26 years nan team mo be play ta team mo be ka play obe mo first division neti mbe play kanjele anu contenta jela alhamdulillah
mashallah right now fo be play kan Gambia national team o nyenya
nte famata ka play Gambia ne
munana
kabrin 2012 13 nan da bondi jele katum kuwol tata nyame ni gal tema mafuni efede membe je say bari membe je no aning technical staff o membe je misunderstanding balekara mol tema so fana na di sale kan da bondi je ka concentrate na ko boka
fo ye kuma ime contact ñing coach kuto min nata ñing foreign coach fa ye contact la ba
ning coach kuto min nata na ma contact soto bari coach mi jani ate ni wolle contact ko soto le kata Raoul Savoy nol aning wol men bije jani ate ni wolle contact ko soto bante fongole ya di sar kon te mala fi ka play Gambia katum ku jama balle bije fone bije de
muna na mala fi la play la Gambia imu Gambia dingoti imu Gambia note muna na mala fi la play la Gambia
no France wol me yalon ko ka football ni mel yalon wol yalon ne munatina katum ni ku jama balle ken am yalon ko ni mu footballati academy le
asane yende rek ya mu ke fo Aliou ka te play la ala satewe yalon
so I put in work we're not gonna learn don't want it to be hurt you're trying to desert me no time to have you lurking I know you tell me you don't like it but you know I dealt with you the nicest nobody touching me so righteous nobody text me in a crisis and if I get another chance to I will never neglect you
ça faut comme kabrin nata nin bonulu mo coach nu na diamo dole dunta molte mam yalla ko ate fana yalla Gambia même problème moti ni mu footballati ni coach dunta nyola wo coach abantale ni coach alte do ko kala no ko tanke so wala na player dol bije fana ne coach o fenke la bukala fekati yam katu yalla ko ne diamuta next time maybe wo coach o tila fly mo ron so ntene bon wo diamule dunta mol tema mo jama bal malong bare wala tan defana na decide kan da bon
bari sam bonu tuje isinano ye play Gambia
bari amanko bonu fongoti because katum coach do fana be mu dol fana be jele efe ni ko no mi ko na ni wol na ko wol man tara tembering comme ça faut comme sandong ndeni sang na ndeni sang nene man diabare na mo comme sandong ka fo mo le comme ana ko wol man diay dal
that is not done ama nyanna kala wonya sa ye Gambia la ñu coach kuto je nyaadi la
nala fen ko jele ko mul be yaaji nyaming internet on ko no fana na jele ala na jele ko tara banko jama balle to barin ndi fongo na mera Gambia fongo la problème manke coach katu
ita ya mira Gambia la football problem mu nete
no I think it's bigger than the coach. You know, it's difficult niko ba be fala, but it's bigger than the coach. And Gambia football fongo the whole system of building nyanta ka
change
but it needs to be upgraded dal katu abitaka nyaming akoliata bakele pour because najele from player jama balbeje e malafika na
munana saying atel le nyanta Gambia football o change la atel mi yalan ko al mudindi ngolete yalo al be play kan well alla team solto alla club solto atel ko altina nga moy le mo jama ko itina like Hamza Musa Baro ani yalo Stephen ay ma kumandi sa ye mu ne jewoto
comme yalo comme na fa nyami yidol je dol mi yalo ko mi me commandi a manque comme Emano de Yanol, comme example, Steve is a very good player. But the Kodol Fanaja Katara Komale. A manque comes because of Steve is not performing, because Steve is performing very well. So Kodol Katara Koma.
So ite muneje muna na iman Steve Tarawale kumande. Ite muneje muna na nyimko kutu ama Steve kumande.
Fendol le ba koma muna tan. Ndela coach fongo, na ko coach fongo ntende. Bare mo le ba koma me alonko itu le team woni tada manke ni coach oti
sa Musa Baro ning Hamza italiye commandele itel koitina
no Musa na mara Musa benala bara Modou
Modou Baro sorry Modou Baro muna na Modou Baro katetena ani Hamza
no ni wol man diamuna but I think it's also maybe ya feel comme ko bitaka nyama bukata nyama so wala I think they want to concentrate more on their career because I think ya jelo comme maybe in a club side wala ka ko beke so they feel that they want to give their best for their club at this time of their career
sa ite mune nyanta kala pour Gambia football o yeta nyaato ya ngajele Senegal mi yana ko wala na neighboring country te atata fatata World Cup Gambia nene manta African Cup imanta World Cup ite mune nyanta kala pour Gambia advance football
because now be saying we have good players can all be jele saying playing in good leagues all from Africa all to Europe so saying thing I think it's just come to have a coach mi alonko abe player lo na kendeke and to have a FMI and player support 100%. So now also, I think it's a big possibility that come Gambia for now be qualified. Because player can do be Gambia ate banna.
Ate banna.
Marinia jibe munatina akoliata la because the mafuni FD baro FMI beje no. FMI beje no ko jama balle kata fani ni me player ne ba kono
ite mune DJ favoritism ye wala DJ kanyo favorite o fo muna
the former favoritism beje exemple ka fo player yene ko ila ticket o sang ni la ticket o sang nata ba refund la yalo man correct and I'm not talking about this if I'm talking about the former one so any player ni yanta ka ne bina player banko ye to yanta ke la ticket o sang mana ka fo there are many players me ko they play for Gambia they have played for Gambia me ko ila ticket o ya sang ifungi FMA me refund
so ite ya jele wo fana mu problem wala te
wo ka tandele comme the system is not going well
what they man aman right say ite wala je dal ko effet ni non problem wote
this effet I cannot say too much
mais Gambia Football Federation ni wala bari fo safo ya problem woni mo ba fo la le aya so ite wala je ko wala problem woni manke coach nyinte
no, I think also I'm not talking about the GFA president that katung na ti manyolo mbake nene man wo contact but I think it's also people mi ko metaje because comme ni Gambian football jibe this is always the same people it's always the same circle so I believe sometimes we can think outside of the circle and also employ others to give them a chance example former footballers who have played before ye dundi system ko kato football lonne ye dundi je chance de la pro wol fanan ila londo yemen experience during their time as a player yena ye mol mo ke
ye natida
not only those who have been here for so long and not be able to.
So ite aje ko problème o nyim mantara football la solto parce que ntanga munje like football la jama ye commandile e koitina yew munaje wo fananto parce que ntema je ko ila sate woni sula tela ebe mumbe ke kay nyanta wo bulale na play la sate we bari football la jama ko itina dol ko man Steve commande munna wala tenetina parce que ngamale ko football la sol alias section ne soto section ñil friendship ñil yela friendship ke ñil yela so ni man ñing commandé alla groupe ko wodol fanan kafule ba boycott la itina sa nga ma it's not done
no it's not okay I think no the most why I think from my experience why I think they don't want to come is because of ye kule jamian ko nin nata amandi so ka jere ko maybe because ye mel commande na mem moy I don't know how if this is true, but Yemen commanding those people have been coming for several times. It's not once and then they didn't want to come again. So I think if Niaje Mason Kana, after so many times they have been coming, it must be this Feneje Dal Mialonko, Feneje Mialonko, Kabri Bakono, Amendi Dal. So I think they just want to concentrate on their career. So yeah.
So ite yaji nyaadire ko Gambia nyanta Algeria approach wala nyaala pour ise win sotono parce que Algeria fana mu team balati no Gambia ila team man stable la ite game ñu yaji nyaadire
Algeria, especially the Arabs, they play very good football. And Algeria fana team, they have players who are playing in good teams. Gambia have also, but I think Algeria, their approach is more professional than ours. And the football it's all been told nyato. When you near beji ball from the installation, from even in a Ligo and everything. So abekolia dal, but Gambia at home we always play well. We always play well and we have a chance if we play well. But in abekolia dal because Algeria la team better avakele. And we na first game already na loosely. And abekolia dal de
ite play no game
no on play.
Play. Okay.
Na first game na lose against Benin. So abekolia dal baring football and everything is possible.
Nimu qualify rounds lete African Cup of Nations.
Nimu African Cup of Nations for next year.
Ite ya jele ko Gambia be qualify no la.
Na grupo kolia dal katung Algeria bije Benin Togo and in Gambia. So right now Benin, I think of these three teams Benin is the weakest, I think, because Togo and Algeria are a little bit stronger than Benin, and our first game already we lost against Benin. So I think if we cannot get a point from Algeria in this game, it will be very, very difficult, very difficult.
Ngana ite fangoto. Last time ngajele ya ke la status ko kabri beta mala first time a difficulty itore back ya. Pour ça isa fono Gambiano le ali atata mun na turu janabe kala bi aliuti abe this X5 borindila abe kodal lola yalo isa explain more yalo fananko Ali has gone through these things.
Yeah, I went through very, very hard because I came from a poor family. My parents didn't have much. Even now football samato first Pruna soto funa asunya. Katu football fana ngara fun ni ba play la, you need support from your parents. But ni all fana make no abe kolyala le. So I remember not first time jani beta France for my first trials in a professional team Le Mans. By then they were in the first division in France. Na rima kambita la je fungo ikonye ko okay isina no mbe ila hotelo jola le. Barring your food you have to pay it for yourself. And my parents didn't have money to provide. Imam kuroso punka pocket money na purna taji. So na menke na buro le dada na kena bago kono mbota swini tamata for France. So na buro le dada buro mi anko na buro ki ani bota ani fenkol pour mi anko ben savla for maybe 10 days. Ntadaje I gave my everything because I know this is the only thing I have. So alhamdulillah after 3 days calculate after na so jele na life falinta dal. Bari jani abe falena kolyata bakel limita bakel
muno ko mu yalan ko yene tenyina lala kabri keta like the start muna kete la ila dunia to mu yalan ko inene tenyina la wala
tenyina lo mina the best memory or the worst?
The best thing and the
I think the best memory will be when I signed my first professional contract and to be able to help my family. And I think and also when I put on the first time to play for Gambia, I remember the game was against Iran. That was a very nice memory in the Under 17 World Cup. And the worst memory, I will say, when I bring Gambia problem also. Wadi mita bakele, katung ya aketa nyaming. It was very bad. And also when I got my knee injury. Those two memories was very difficult.
Ita nyina la wala. Sa ali ye project jumale soto pour Gambia parce que mu international footballer le te mu stalete ndum ibe ko do soto kanne machallah. Ye mum project le soto pour la
right now I have my foundation. Now I have 3 people working for me and they get a monthly salary. And we have sponsored 2 people. Now we are going to sponsor more up to the aim is up to 20 or 30. So we have already 2. One is Kemo Bojang. He is at the KMC, KMC Youth Councillor. But a sponsor can another child. So we are some Moldol Farantala ni doing the school local. From Karang and some other people they are doing charity work for free and ila banko kanolemba tra la fanaka world sponsor ke motivate pour ebemena sa continue.
Parce que nyanta wala kera ngamo ele num koy ka $1 million le soto per week. So I don't know how true but ngamo le moy ngana Aliou la private life to domandi ngamo le ko Aliou dal ani musolu yalla ko yeke wosoto ani wol le kadit. So nga jelenu Watson Gambia ya safiko this Lena Sar malo ina be det kanenu so iso sene andi non mole ndetale tonyalen is the truth but what time can be data among tara relationship kono she was single and among kom natale kabren she was with another guy or something. I wouldn't do that. She was single and but atele siatete
but
that's not a problem.
Atele siatete so but among kom Natalie from a guy or she was dating she was with another man. She was single and I was single.
But Aliou ning married women wol ka derle or not. Lafta wala fa parce que last time ya sa fe la ila status
no
ko ke batandile ye ke woso tole fa pare kay boleno munate na ibe buleke no
malon nak what I don't know but
do you entertain that itale ke entertain or
no mbuke entertain wo nyamade
say munala wo bekela
malon de bari akol yaral nak bari yes some married women it's normally case of everything but amake comme ka entertain no mbuka entertain
sa ni yes afete kamule fo
ngame fo it depends what they write. It depends what they write.
Sa Aliou ye sunko tole soto fa muso soto
it's complicated.
Kana diam de ye finti la sunto na la sunko to ko sa Aliou ye sunko to jele soto
sunko to jelu no man na sunko tol man no man dafula fang jelu I don't
but right now you are in a serious relationship or not? Are you dating?
Safa ha
okay muntu malay lafta fum so photo la Aliou diam ko sere muntu malay mu so photo la
maro fa men fa comme de something something
ite man pare follow Aliou dal man pare follow al musol photo Gambian football juma le musol soto je
juma le musol soto na ko mudu baro photo tale Hamza photo tale
Steve man photo Steve was ye Yusuf Ndialon
Oscar man photo no ti Jan photo tale
so the captain what
Omar Kole photo tale
okay
global be photo tale
okay then
some people also they are married in secret but you never know they are married comme yalla maybe mara fela muso e funti molia long because they are moting
korite mo wole kefa
non tet fon for the watch
okay then yasene malo ni fintita alme la sunko to kanele fadal parce que imam pare folo nga foy amam pare folo de nka amam pare folo so year relationship jumale soto aning ila Gambian footballer dol relationship jumale soto
I'm very close with Tijan ever since
Tijan
we're very close. We talk almost every day. More than me on Kabetiata Bage, and then I would say I'm close to Usman Koli. I have contact with Waterman.
Waterman, back on the friend.
Waterman is my very good friend, and I would say I talk to Steve sometimes, and Usman Jallo.
Os Jallo, like.
And those ones I would say are good people.
So yeah, Os Jallo nyol commandile nyin
No,
timo.
Os Jallo amanna. Os Jallo fongo ya commandile nung bara mala fikana no.
Bari nte fo malo fo ite fenk mira jumala sotoje bari nte maje ko nyanta Os Jallo nyol commandile la côté ani soxna nyol ni tijal nyol nte nga mira ko right now nyanta like atel ani Yusufa nyol ni like Steve nyol nyanta wol le commandile parce que atel lon dendi ngote say ite mo na jije fo nyanta soxna nga moy le ko ye soxna commandile fo ite ya jele ko soxna nyanta commandile
ha yalon kom yalo ya try no Sangdong and this the new coach they try to remove all the players
OGs,
but it didn't go because Timol na rajan yemol bute 4-0 mbe lose kang so the younger ones fana masambano so I think you need to blend the young ones and you need some of the experience too because the likes of Stijano the experience of the back and sohna so you will need le pruye na ye dinungol fana ma okay miano ko ma experience of the back because all the national teams you have always some older players miano ko ol fana kanale yela idea share is important
ite ya jele dal ko nyanta tijan ñol sinano anatel ya mix wo fana mbije parce que experience ñen sotole wala say nga ngeni ni kare ye Gambia je ñaari la ni di new Gambia ya ci ñaari la
the new Gambia comme te ka follow social media mostly katumbu katara jambake adiam te fa diamo kasia bakele adiamo kasia le adiamo siaral
sa ite ni be fen fola Gambia no le abe kala munati
about Gambia or
about Gambia
the new government or
the new government everything about Gambians yalong ibe social media nyinto ibe nyoti nyala and new government new ite
nte comme tout le Gambia I think be mena vake comme ni cyberbullying is too much ika Gambia jele be comme ka nyo bully bakele and I think it's not good to all the time albi nyoti nyala ni kan wosi fama betia katung democracy fana mafoko all the time literal bi nyoti nyaka and also I think we should give chance for the new government let them work all the time ni ko be every small thing ko bakela ko bati ba fola mfana ngagal distract le so janing diamo be kala we should leave them yibule do ko okay and then ila limit pareta na jibe membe kala then you can talk but ni ko time man ta baki gal ko albe diamo la abe ka ke distraction all
sa njani programme o be bana foreign coach ni ite maje ko nyanta Gambian coach la tala no jani bitaye ka foreign coach
for me personally ninte damalen I feel they should give chance to ex-player like Idrissa Sonko or comme Jato wala mialong Sefo or somebody who have main player even Padembo someone mialong ka play long I Gambia long I long ka abetala no nyami. I'm not saying this coach is not good kato long maybe he's very good but I just feel they could also give a chance to an ex-player kunka kunya abetala nyam
muno la last words
I will say thank you for inviting me. You guys are doing a great job.
Fatu Network.
Fatu Network is doing fantastic work. This program is really good. Encourage Tarajang and content about Tarajang. I also want to give a shout out to my friend Lamin Cisse. Okay.
Who's Lamin Cisse?
Lamin is a Gambian in the French army, Mokendo Balong.
Okay.
Okay, and yeah. I want to give him a big shout out.
Okay, Lamin Cisse kontaan na back. Okay, lii lañ leen amaloon tey si yaatal ñu amoon fi Alieu Dabo bi nga xamante ne Gambian international footballer la di leen jox dig daje ba next week inshallah. Jeex na.